Well, hello there. I don't know if you recognize that spot right there, but that is Salvation Mountain, and that means we are at Slab City, California, in eastern San Diego County. Slab City used to be a Marine Corps camp, training camp, called Camp Dunlap, and it was used for about 3 years during World War II. Decommissioned shortly thereafter. By 1956, all the buildings were taken down, and now basically you have a squatters camp. People who want to live off grid come out here and they build these really interesting settlements. Today we're gonna take a tour, drive around a little bit, go to East Jesus, check out the art installation there. Here we go. Slab City's story begins during World War II when the US military established Camp Dunlap in this very spot. Camp Dunlap was a training ground for troops preparing to head overseas. Fast forward to the 1960s and a new chapter began. Slab City became a magnet for those seeking an alternative lifestyle, freedom, and a break from societal norms. They embraced the desert solitude and turned these abandoned slabs into their canvas for self-expression. So I am in East Jesus, which is a segment to Slab City. And it's basically like this giant art installation full of crazy type of junk which has been turned into art, and there's just so much now to absorb, but there's definitely an experience here that is unparalleled by the International Car Forest or really anywhere I've ever been. Let's go for a little tour, take a look, see what we can see, and reflect on what it all means. The true gem of Slab City is East Jesus, a mishmash of sculptures, junkyard treasures, and bizarre contraptions. East Jesus is an ever-evolving open-air art gallery that reflects the eccentric creativity that thrives in Slab City. The art at East Jesus is a testament to human ingenuity and resourcefulness. It's a place where the discarded is reborn as something entirely new and thought-provoking. Artists from all walks of life come here to unleash their creativity. Today, Slab City is a unique off-grid community where residents from all walks of life come together to live, create, and express themselves. It's a testament to human adaptability and the pursuit of freedom.